It's hard to believe that more than 3 years have passed by since Dodge first introduced us to the Charger SRT Hellcat, isn't it? During this time, the Super Saloon has proved its credentials against some very powerful machines, coming out on top in most cases. An entirely new generation of the Charger and Challenger will reportedly make their way onto the market in 2021, but before they do, Dodge will update both cars in 2019. So what should we expect from the two popular vehicles? Well, according to Enoch Gabriel Gonzalez Vision, plenty of visual drama, as his renderings are very optimistic, to say the least. The Photoshopper has focused on the range-topping version of the Charger, the SRT Hellcat, fitting it with new bumpers and lights and toning down some of its aggressive lines. While the front end looks quite nice, the rear isn't exactly appealing with those gigantic taillights. Of course, we will have to wait at least one more year before seeing what the FCA-owned brand has in store for the Challenger and Charger, and if their upgrades will include any work carried under the hood of the Hellcats. Although with 707 horsepower at their disposal already, we doubt anyone would mind if Dodge left the supercharged V8 well alone.